Look who came to the farm. A to Z Acres has some new roommates. I feel like everybody's so like pampered on videos, but they never show you the scraping the poop part. Nor would I want to. See my poop chute, right? The poop chute is here. But where do they sleep? They put their butts here. Sometimes. But we've collected some poo. It's working. That is working. But when I open this nesting box, all that poop would go flying behind there, and all I had was one poop chute. And we were missing a lot. So, found a little hack here. It's all the side effects of what people do when they're chicken farming, but they don't want to show you. It's the reality. The reality hour. Cleaning the poop chute. Not doing this alone. Okay, so now I'm going to figure out how to get that into that. And yeah, so I think this is a good method. It's newer. Work out some kinks. Okay, so I just dislodged the bag. Now I'm going to aim the poop into this chute now. Okay. Riveting stuff, so maybe you'll see. I don't know. Need to come after this. I'm gonna do this. Yeah.